Welcome back to Idaho Voyager, everybody. It is March in Idaho, and we are getting back out in our new Airstream, which we purchased last September. Throughout this camping season, we're going to be sharing a lot of content with you on this beautiful new trailer. And we're going to kick it off with a visit to what feels like an Airstream Disneyland. And we'll explain what this is all about coming up next, right here on Idaho Voyager.
From the mountains to the valleys, what a sight to see. Idaho Voyager, come and travel with me.
So first, let's set the stage here, and there's two key parts to today's story. The first and most important is that just over a year ago, we added Lulu to our pack. As you may know, Josie, the 11-pound min pin, has been with us now for almost 8 years and has been a featured player in all our adventures. So much so that Sweet Josie has a dedicated playlist just for her right here on the channel. With Josie aging, we thought it would be nice to get her a companion, and so we rescued this cute little sausage dog. Lulu came to us after a difficult start to life, and as such is a nervous little doggy needing a lot of love, patience, and reassurance. One thing she's always enjoyed, though, is crate time. She feels secure and safe in her crate. So as we took Moonbeam out for our first 2 trips last fall, we immediately noticed that having a crate in between the twin beds made things feel a little cramped and kind of defeated the purpose of why we got the twin configuration in the first place, which was to open up the trailer. That's when I had an aha moment. There's some amazing storage spaces underneath the twin beds, and one such space is just about the perfect crate size for little Lulu. With that, I realized all we had to do was put a new door on this compartment to include ventilation, so I started researching finished carpenters in and around Boise. Over the course of my search, I stumbled onto Ultimate Airstreams, just outside Portland, Oregon. This incredible place is at the same location as Portland's main Airstream dealer, Airstream Adventures, and what they do is amazing. Ultimate Airstreams is a factory-certified modification center just for Airstreams, and the size and breadth of their facility is exceeded only by the limitless modifications and remodels they can carry out for Airstreamers across the West.
It's limitless up to your abilities to dream and what you need in your Airstream to make it perfect for you.
Once we connected with Kenny and his team, we knew we had to make this happen. Over the course of a few weeks, I worked with project designer Nancy Garman to find the perfect solution that would mesh perfectly with our existing trailer, giving Lulu her own private space while maintaining the sleek factory look. And it turned out just perfect. And the best part? The peace of mind in knowing that this modification is as if it just came straight from the factory.
We're a part of their Master Upfitter program where we are alliance with Airstream Inc. and we keep everything to the standards that they do when they create it, so their warranty is maintained when we do modifications to their Airstreams.
As you can see, this is a really big operation. As I stand here inside this facility, which is 100,000 square feet, it really does feel like a Airstream fantasy land. And no wonder, this is only one of 3 such facilities in the entire United States. How many units typically come through here in a year?
Anyway, we average from 150 to 225 a year, all depends on volume and how big the projects are.
Now, living in Boise, there were some logistical considerations. We were planning a week-long getaway to the Oregon coast in late March, so I leveraged that to coincide with the Ultimate Airstreams modification. I drove Moonbeam out in early March, and we picked it up on the way back out to the coast. Now, given the effort of getting it there, we actually decided to make one additional mod. The dining table felt a little tight on the ends, getting in and out of the dinette. So we had them trim 2 inches off each end of the table to make things just a little bit more accessible. And that made a big difference, and it really improved our experience at the dinette table. Again, all of this is factory approved, and it all turned out just perfect. So we're really happy. Now, if you agree and like the changes or have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. We'd be happy to respond. Now, we think these 2 small modifications turned out really well and made a great trailer, in our opinion, into an almost perfect trailer. We're excited to spend some extended time in Moonbeam, and we'll be posting a lot more videos with feedback on how things go. But for right now, that'll do it for this video. For Anna, Josie, and Lulu, this is David, thanking you for watching, and if you enjoy the content, we'd love for you to join our pack. Give us a like and please subscribe. That'll do it for now. See you next time right here on Idaho Voyager.